Hello everyone, welcome to my channel from Dakke, Mangalore, Bandar. This morning around 7:30 am, I am here at one of the greatest fishing hubs of Mangalore, popularly known as Bandar or Dakke. This place is alive with activity throughout the day, from fishing, unloading the catches, sorting, auctioning, transporting and marketing. Every moment here is full of movement and purpose. It is a well and hustle of joy to see them. Whenever I visit Mangalore, I love going to the Bandar because it brings me a sense of satisfaction and to see the variety of fishes that fishermen catch every day. There is something satisfying and joyful about watching fishermen bring in their daily catch and seeing colorful fish lined up along the docks. Isn't just a port, it's the heart of coastal economy. Fishermen head out before dawn and early morning the dock is bustling with the boats returning loaded with a variety of fish like mackerel, sardine, prawns, shearfish, pomfret and many more. You'll find vendors calling out prices, carrying baskets of fresh catches to trucks and marketing them across the city. That's wonderful to see in the coastal area. You are here for fresh seafood or photography or for business or simply curiosity. A visit to Bandar leaves you amazed and satisfied. Look at these unusual fishes which I have spotted. Most of them haven't seen before and didn't get a taste either. They are very special and unique for us. ಅದೊಂದು ರಡ್ಡು ಬರು ಅದೊಂದು ರಡ್ಡೆ ಬರು ಪಂಡೆ This fish is called muremin. Among all the fish at the harbor, muremin and seerfish stands out as one of the tastiest and most sought after. They are found large in numbers in the season, making them so favorite for many of them. I saw a video a while ago where many fishermen said that the number of fishing boats had gone up and the catches also were heavy and good. Since then, in 2 months, they also mentioned that in about 2 months the fish in the sea would reduce and the catches would go down. After seeing so many boats here, I really feel that might be true. Turn any way you like, and fishes are lined up everywhere. The sights, the sounds, the hustle of boats, it's all so lively and totally satisfactory. There was a time when seerfish were rarely seen and on the rare occasion they appeared. The price was too high for most of people at that time. Now this season has completely changed the scene. I'm seeing seerfish everywhere in all sizes and at prices most people can afford. prices like 300 for small size, 600 for larger sizes, and even if they are not a little bit fresh, and they are not much expensive also. So it is completely changed the season, and varieties, big fishes have arrived in the market. These are squids. They are in three sizes. Some are very big, giant, may go or reach over 12 to 13 meters, it seems. And this is the one of the biggest squid I found there. And their blood is blue, and they have three hearts, it seems, and they release ink to escape. So they are very tasty fish. Okay, not all fish make it to the market. Some of the spoiled ones are sent to the factories. The fresh ones quickly find their way to the market, restaurants and customers. But not every fish here is perfectly fresh. Some of the fish that are stale or not suitable for sale are carefully sorted out, and then instead of going to waste, these are sent to the factories where they are processed into products like fish powder, oil, fertilizers, fish meals, etc. It's amazing to see how nothing goes unused here. Every part of the catch is put to use in some way. Dakke shows the hardworking spirit of the fishermen and how the fishing community makes sure that even the smallest fish has a purpose there. What I love most about this place is the spirit of hard work you see in every face. These fishermen spend hours at the sea, sometimes fighting rough waves just to bring back the best catch. Their day starts before sunrise, and yet you'll always find a smile on their face. Mangalore Bandar isn't just a market, it's a way of life. It tells the story of sea, the people, an endless bond with nature. What a joy to be here. If you are in Mangalore, please do come and visit once and see the energy, the rhythm of this nature and this place. You will find a lot. Mangalore Bandar has been an important port for hundreds of years. The smell of fresh fish and shouting of auctionaries make the place very lively. There are ice factories and cold storages facilities, and exporting also will takes place here. We meet people speaking Konkani, Tulu, Kannada, Bari, Hindi, Malayalam without any degree, without any kind of grades. People come together, sell and auction and market the fish here. Such a lively place to see. So here it ends the small tour of Mangalore Dakke. Please do visit in case if you are interested. Please do subscribe. Thank you. Meet you again. Bye.